Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2014 Dodge Charger SXT. Sorry, I had a yawn as soon as I started the video. That's just about how today's gone. This is the all-wheel drive V6 with the Beats audio system. So a perfect car for a day like today, where people are learning how to parallel park. And it's like 30 something degrees with snow yesterday. All your books and manuals. There we go. Had a hair stuck to the camera. This one looks like it's running some winter rubber or very weather ready Goodyears. Featuring the 3.6 liter Pentastar. Nice motor, provides good amount of power. Actually, for this one, check out the back seat area. All right. Let's go for a drive. This is right before they did the refresh. So this is the older infotainment system, but it still works really, really well. 8-speed automatic. This one's listed for $15,999, so just under $16,000. I'm gonna run with the windows down, just because it's more comfortable, completely honest. It's actually starting to warm up quite nicely. But of course I drove the Hellcat in like 30-degree weather. Quite comfortable ride. And it's the only V8 not even that. Sorry. It's the only all-wheel drive muscle car out there except for the Challenger all-wheel drive. Bad idea, bad idea. You can see it handles really well. There's no compromise there. It handles just like a normal Charger, just with all-wheel drive. It's a really fun to drive car. I'm honestly surprised. I was thinking this was gonna just be like a rental car. In reality, it's quite fun. This is where this car shines. It's from digs, or in a corner it just claws its way through. I could not do that in the Hellcat this morning. Hellcats. Drove two. This is the only car that got grip when I did that today. Glad this is finally drying up. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.